So, good morning, everyone. In the last class, we have discussed the concepts of solid shapes, which we have seen the first cuboid. We tried to find out the lateral surface area of that. Then we tried to find out total surface area of that. After that, we went for the special cuboid, which is a cube in which the length, the breadth, and the height are equal to same thing, that is a k, whatever you want. You can take any constant. Okay. So now let's try the next thing. Next concept is third. Let me take blue pen. So can you please confirm the syllabus of PT2? It is same as in website, beta. Same as in website. Okay. So this is Zoom issue. It's with the also that I am using aux cable. Yes. Sometime it creates problem. Okay. So third is um, cylinder, or most correctly it is known as right circular cylinder. So class, any idea about cylinders that we have done? Have we done this before in class 7th also? Or this is the first time that we are dealing with it? Okay, first time we are dealing with it. Okay. So the figure is like this. So you will make a circle like this on the top. Then you make these parallel lines. And again you make this circle on the bottom. So you can see there are total three surfaces in a cylinder, or you in a solid cylinder: the top, the bottom, and the curved surface. I think we have done in that visualizing solid shapes, that how you uh, fold a chart paper in a curved shape and you obtain a cylinder. Yes, class? I think this we have done in the last class. Yes. So this is the shape in front of you. Now the question is how to find its parameters. The first one is not LSA, because it is not a straight surface or a what you say plane surface. It is a curved surface. So we call it curved surface area. So we gave it a special term, curved surface area. To find curved surface area, tell me one thing, which portion do you think is working? Only we have to find this thing in curved surface area. We have to exclude the top and bottom, as we have done in the cuboid and cube. Yes, class? Now think of this cylinder as a stack of coin. If you remember, in the case of cuboid, I made you all to think it as a stack of A4 sheet, that rim of A4 sheet. Similarly, keep a coin. Similarly, keep a 1 rupee coin on the bottom. Sir, can I rejoin Joel? Okay, Joel, do it fast. Okay, no issue. Prisha, Nonit, Kablin. Okay. Class, please see. So this is a coin. Tell me, if you want to find the curved surface area of the complete stack, which parameter of a single coin should I think about? Please tell. If you are thinking about finding the curved surface area, which thing of this coin is being used? Is it the area or the circumference? Please tell. Which thing of this coin is used when you are keeping a stack of coin like this? Obviously, the area thing is inside. That is not of our use. Area is inside the coin. That is not in our use. We only want the outer thing. So if you paint, just think like this, that you are having a stack of coin and you paint it from outside. Now when you see each and every coin, what will you find? That it is painted on the outside. That is, it is the circumference which is being used. Please tell me, what is circumference of a circle? Please tell me that. What is circumference of a circle? It is 2 pi r. Very good. It is 2 pi r. And if there are two coins, the sum of circumference becomes 2 pi r plus 2 pi r. If there are three coins, it becomes 2 pi r plus 2 pi r plus 2 pi r. And if there are h number of coins, it becomes 2 pi r added h number of times. And we all know multiple addition is same as multiplication. So what is the formula of curved surface area? Okay, the formula for curved surface area is very simple. It is circumference of a single coin, that is 2 pi r, multiplied with the complete height of the stack of coins, that is h. So you can say it is 2 pi r h. I hope this point is clear to everyone how we have derived or how we got this formula. Okay, so there is no such thing like we are learning the things, we are trying to understand why we are using this formula. So this is your radius r, this is your height h. Now curved surface area is done. The next concept is of surface area or total surface area. Let us think about that. TSA or SA is equal to curved surface area plus top area plus bottom area. So class, we already have this thing with us. We have found the curved surface area. Tell me, if you again paint the stack of coin completely, which part or which thing or which parameter of the top or the bottom coin is painted? Is it the circumference only or something else? If you paint again that stack of coin, what will you obtain on the top and the bottom? What have you painted in the top and bottom? Please tell me. You have painted the area. For the normal stack, when you were painting, it was the circumference getting painted. But when you are painting the complete thing, the area of top and the area of bottom is being painted. So to find the total surface area or the SA, you have to consider the area of top coin plus the area of bottom coin. That is CSA, you already know, is 2 pi RH. Top area is what? No, Ananya, some mistake is there. That is volume that you are telling. Please check yourself. That is volume that you are telling. Okay. So that CSA we have found 2 pi RH. The top area is not 2 pi r. It is pi r square. Area of a circle is pi r square. And the bottom is also a circle. The area is pi r square. So we have obtained 2 pi rh plus pi r square plus pi r square. This is the total surface area. So whenever we talk about perimeter in a 2D figure, we are talking about the fencing. You have to think in this way. You have to apply things in your real life. So when you talk about perimeter, you are talking about fencing. When you are talking about surface area, you are talking about painting. So suppose on the walls you want your home to be painted, you will find the surface area. Then only you will be able to find how much paint is required to paint your home. If you are working on keeping things inside your home, then you are working on, or then you are finding what? If you are working on finding how much things you can keep in your home, then you are working on the third parameter, that is volume. Okay, because that is capacity. So the formula final is 2 pi rh plus 2 pi r square. And now we can take common. What is common in these two? Common is 2 pi r bracket h plus r. So are you all able to understand this formula? We have not just seen the formula, we have understood how it came. It came from the sum of curved surface plus top surface plus bottom surface. Okay, now the third parameter, that is volume. Now tell me, which part of each and every coin is being considered if you are talking about volume? Volume is all about inner content. Volume is all about inner content. So for volume, each and every coin, either it is on the bottom or on the top. Sir, what is lateral surface area, Vansh? Vansh, lateral surface area is the surface area of the side walls. In a cube, in a cuboid, or any 3D figure you take, you have to exclude the top and the bottom, and apart from top and bottom, whatever surface you are having, you have to find that area and add it all. That will be your lateral surface area. Okay, Vansh, please confirm. Now it is understood. What is lateral surface area? It is the surface area of side surfaces in which we are not taking the top and the bottom. Okay, and once this lateral surface area and this curved surface area are the same thing. Only difference is we use the term curved surface area for these kind of figures which are curved. But the what you say definition is similar. They both are not including top and bottom. Okay, so let's see now general formula for finding volume. Very good, Krishna. You are working on these general formulas. Very good. Area of base into height. That's why you got the answer. Huh? Okay. So we will not go for the formula. We will go for the understanding part. Okay. So just think there is a coin at the bottom, above it, above it, above it, and top. So if you take the coin in the middle, just tell me, class, if you take the coin in the middle and you are talking about inner capacity, which part of that middle coin is being used? Is it the circumference or is it the area? Please tell. Which quantity or which thing it is giving for the volume? The contribution of that coin is its area in the volume. Very good. So, oh, Prithu, circumference. No, Prithu, try to understand. The circumference is the outer thing only, है ना? That will be counted in the uh, curved surface area or total surface area. Am I having any curved surface with me? Mm, one second. Okay, see this thing. If we are talking about curved surface area, we are only painting this thing, this curved surface, this curved surface. Okay. Or if I am just tying this thread around, I'm talking about the curved surface area. If I am including the top area and the bottom area, then it is your total surface area. Now the question came how to find the inner content or the volume. For that, I have to find if I cut many slices of this, what you say, candle, you will get many small coin like thing, and all of them are contributing their area for volume. So area of one coin is what? Please tell. Area of one coin is what? Area of one coin is pi r square. Area of two coin is pi r square plus pi r square, that is 2 pi r square. Area of three coin is 3 pi r square. Area of 4 coin is 4 pi r square. Area of 10 these coins is 10 pi r square. And area of h pi r square. Area of h pi r square, because the height is h, is given by pi r square, that is area of one coin, multiplied with h, that is your formula for volume. So now are you able to understand? We are using the same methodology for finding these curved surface area, total surface area, and the volume. Okay, so I hope this part is clear to you. And now we are ready for the questions. Let's see some. Okay. I hope you people are trying these questions of exercise. Although I prefer solving the examples and giving you the exercise questions. What should I do? Is there any example which is little bit tough? Hmm. Okay, let me give you a hint only in this example so that you also have some idea. So, do we have circles? Hmm. Circles we are having in the starting only, na? In the first exercise, we are having circles. That was coming in the 2D shapes, and this cylinder is coming in 3D shape. Okay, and sphere is not there. Sphere will come in class 9th. So, what is the syllabus for maths? Okay, 3D circles. Rachit, we call it sphere, not 3D circle. We call it sphere. Okay, that sphere is in class 9th. Okay, so let's see. The example number 4. An aquarium is in the form of a cuboid whose external measures are 80 by 30 by 40. So class, the one and only rule that you have to follow in this chapter is to draw the diagram. Without diagram, your question is incomplete. Ananya, you have gone through sphere also. Good. So this is a cuboid diagram, rough diagram. L we have assumed as 80 centimeter. B we have assumed as 30, and H we have assumed as 40 again centimeter. So all are having the same unit. Everything is fine. The base side faces, the base comma side faces comma back face are to be covered with a colored paper. They are going to cover the base, the side faces, and the back face. Okay, find the area of paper needed. Okay, Ananya, class, please tell me. They are saying in this aquarium where length is 80, breadth is 30, and height is 40, we have to cover some paper on the base, on the side faces, and on the back face. So please tell me how much area is required. Tell me the statement. Paper needed will be found by what? Okay, okay. Now think it in your own way. You have to find the base area plus the side areas, that is the two left sides. So two left sides means side area into 2 plus back area. So are we covering the front also? Please tell. Are we covering or are we keeping the paper on the front also? No. If you cover the front also, how will you see the fishes that you have kept in that aquarium? Okay. So we are not covering the front. We are only, yes, we are not covering the top and the front. So that is why I told you to not learn the formula but understand the formula, because the questions may change many things. So now you can see we are deriving a new formula on our own. So we are excluding the top and the front. Now tell me, what is the formula of base area? If this is L and B, what is the formula of base? It is LB. Very good. So paper needed is given by L into B plus, tell me what is the side area? Tell me what is the side area? It is base and height. If you see, the side is having the parameters BH, so BH plus BH, because there are two walls, side walls. This one right side and the left side. BH into BH. Okay, and now we want the back area. In the back, the dimensions are length and height. Okay, it is LH. So this thing we have to find, and as soon as you have found this, you have got the answer. I hope this point is clear to everyone. Now just put the values and you will get the answer. LB plus twice BH plus LH. One advice: before putting the values in the formula, always try to factorize it. Always try to factorize it. Try to take something common so that the calculation part is less for you. Okay. So, is there anything common in all of them? No. You have to solve it finally. So, just put the values and you will get the answer. You can see they have done the same thing. Area of base plus area of back face plus 2 into area of side face, and by that they have found the answer. Now let's see example number 5. The internal measures of a cuboidal room are 12 by 8 by 4 meters. So let me make the diagram. Without diagram you won't get the idea of the question, so better to make diagram always. So the L is 12 meter, B is 8 meter, and H is 4 meter. So it was easy. Yes, beta. Now tell me, what we will do is find the total cost of whitewashing. Again, the concept of whitewashing is coming. So what we are talking about? If you are whitewashing your home, what will you find? Will you find the volume, or letter surface area, or total surface area? What will you find? Total cost of whitewashing all 4 walls. Okay, only walls you have to paint. You are not talking about the ceiling, and no one paints the bottom, I think, at their home. है ना? No one is getting the bottom whitewashed. So only 4 walls are considered. So we are getting LSA. If the cost of whitewashing is rupees 5 per meter square, that is the secondary part. First part is to find the LSA. That is the area of 4 walls. We all know this formula already. We have found 2H into L plus B. We have done this thing. Twice into H, L plus B. Now putting the values in the formula and finding the answer is your part. You can do on your own. After doing this, you will get the answer as 160 meter square, and they are saying rupees 5 per meter square is the cost of whitewashing. The painter is quite advanced and they are not telling the final cost. They are saying we will find or will charge you as rupees 5 per meter square. Now you can make us paint anything, we will not mind, but we will charge as per the area. So you can say the cost of painting 1 meter square is rupees 5. Therefore cost of painting 160 meter square will be 160 into 5, and that will be the answer of 800. This is the cost of whitewashing the 4 walls, that is the side walls. Now they are adding one more question. What will be the cost of whitewashing if the ceiling is also whitewashed? At the end, at the end, they got to know that ceiling is also be to painted, so they will have to add the ceiling area, and that is very simple. The area of ceiling will be given by L into B only, because you can see in the ceiling length is coming and breadth is coming. That they have done 12 into 8. That is, this is the area of top. Now just multiply with the cost, and this is the cost 480. And if you add both the cost, the total money that you have to give to that painter is rupees 1280. Okay. So nowadays painters are charging per meter square because people are making them paint every now and then, every place they can make use of, है ना? That's why they are coming with this idea of charging per meter square. Okay. So now that thing will not work ना कि भैया यहाँ भी कर दो paint थोड़ा सा. Okay. Example number 6. In a building there are 24 cylindrical pillars. So it is like, okay, in the parliament also we are having these kind of pillars. The radius of each pillar is 28 centimeters. So you have to make one cylinder just to understand the concept. This is your one cylinder. This is R, this is H, and write the values. R is given to you as 28 centimeter, and height is given to you as 4 meters. So first thing first, sir, very bad cylinder. Okay, so we can't proceed further like this because different units can't be accommodated together. So we have to change the units. The question now is, what is better, to change this thing or to change this thing? Okay, Krishna is saying meter to centimeter is easy. Okay, good, Krishna. But one little advice: if you will do that, what will happen? Let me tell you. If you'll do that, it will be very easy for you to solve. But later on, if you see the cost they are finding in per meter square, that will be an issue. So if you see the future, you will get to know that this conversion will again be converted back, or you have to convert this thing also in centimeter square, then only you will be able to work. So I suggest, better, now why to change all these things, better you keep this centimeter into meter only. If you will convert this into centimeter, you will have to convert this also in centimeter square. But if you convert this radius into meters, you have to change nothing. So I think doing that is not that, what you say, we don't like doing that, but still it is better in this question. Class, are you getting my point? That is also correct, but in this way it will be easier. Please confirm, everyone. Class, please confirm, are you there? Okay, so if you convert meter into centimeter, you have to convert the cost also in centimeter square. But if you convert centimeter into meter, then there is no issue. Okay, so better you convert the radius into meters, it becomes 28 upon 100 meters. So you can say r is given to you as 28 centimeter, it becomes 28 upon 100 meters. And now you can easily find the answer. And let us stop this here, and I hope that all of you will complete this exercise, and tomorrow we will just discuss the doubts of this. Okay, let me stop the recording.